Hello, today we will guide you through how to view the lifetime cash flow chart in Boldin. This walkthrough will help you quickly find the chart and understand what you're looking at so you can make confident planning decisions. Start on the Boldin Planner overview. This is the main dashboard you see after signing in, and it's the hub for your planning tools and insights. Give the page a moment to load fully so all panels and navigation elements appear. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen for the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that icon to open the navigation drawer. If you're on a smaller screen, this menu tucks away to keep your workspace clear, so opening it ensures you can see all the available sections. In the menu, select Insights. The Insights area is where Boldin groups your analytics and visual summaries, bringing together key trends from your plan. Clicking Insights will take you to a page with several tiles and charts designed to highlight the most important signals in your long-term plan. On the Insights page, scroll down. The lifetime cash flow section sits a bit lower on the page, below the high-level snapshots. Scrolling is important here because it ensures you don't miss the deeper visualizations that live beneath the initial overview cards. Move at a steady pace and watch for a heading or card labeled Lifetime Cash Flow. Once you see Lifetime Cash Flow, click it to open the full chart. The Lifetime Cash Flow chart visualizes your projected money in and money out over time, helping you see how your plan may perform across different life stages. You'll typically notice a time axis running across the bottom and values showing inflows and outflows across your planning horizon. This view helps you spot periods of surplus where inflows exceed expenses and potential gaps where spending might outpace income, so you can consider how to strengthen your plan. If the chart takes a moment to appear, let the data finish loading. A stable internet connection helps ensure all visuals render smoothly. That's it. To recap the flow in one breath, from the overview, open the 3-line menu, choose Insights, scroll down, and select Lifetime Cash Flow. With this chart in view, you have a clear, visual way to understand how your plan may evolve over the years and where you might want to focus next. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to return to the Lifetime Cash Flow chart in Boldin.